How to download your information on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your information on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and here just go down, click this one, download your information, and go down and select anything you want and then click create file, and now just wait. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.